In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn and provide a comprehensive review and tutorial updated for 2025. If you're new to Nordvpn or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can navigate it with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to nordvpn.com. This is your official source for downloading this powerful virtual private network service known for its reliability and security features. Once there, you'll be faced with an important decision, choosing a plan that best fits your needs. Nordvpn offers several options, including 1 month, 1 year, and 2-year plans. Take a moment to consider how frequently you'll use the service and how long you want the subscription for. This will help you choose wisely. Once you've selected your plan, the next step is to create an account and complete your payment. Nordvpn ensures that the registration process is straightforward, so entering your details and confirming payment shouldn't take long. After your account has been successfully set up, you're ready to go to the next stage, downloading and installing Nordvpn on your device. Whether it's a PC, smartphone, or tablet, the service supports multiple platforms, so make sure you download the correct version for your system. Now that the software is installed, it's time to open the app. As you launch Nordvpn, you'll need to log in with the credentials you just set up. It's a good idea to keep your password secure and memorable, as this is something you'll need each time you access the app. With Nordvpn logged in and ready to go, you have two primary ways to connect. For those looking for speed and convenience, simply clicking Quick Connect will automatically link you to the fastest server available. This option is ideal for those who need an instant secure connection. Alternatively, if you wish to connect to a specific location, you can select a country or server from the interactive map or a detailed list. This allows you to tailor your browsing experience to your preferences. Once connected, congratulations, you're now secure and anonymous online. Your internet activities are encrypted and protected, affording you peace of mind whether you're on a private network at home or a public one while traveling. To wrap things up, let's touch on a few highlights from our Nordvpn review for 2025. The pros are compelling, ease of use, a robust network with over 6,000 servers across more than 110 countries, and strong security with AES-256 encryption, among other impressive features. However, it's worth noting a few cons. Some advanced features are exclusive to desktop, dedicated IP addresses have an additional cost, and there are limitations on the iOS kill switch due to Apple restrictions. And that's it, you're now equipped to navigate Nordvpn efficiently.